Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can cancel one-click pay on Temu. So one-click pay basically means you just have to click on once and you don't have to enter your card details every single time, and it's going to automatically pay for whatever you want to buy on Temu. To cancel that, you want to click on you at the bottom of your screen in the middle, and then you want to click on the option called settings at the bottom. From inside settings, you will see the option called your payment methods. Now once you're inside your payment method, you will see the option called one-click pay. Once you see the option, just click on the option and make sure to cancel the option. Make sure that option is unchecked. Once that option is unchecked, you have basically done it. You have canceled your one-click pay on Temu. So right now I don't have that option because I haven't added a credit or a debit card on my Temu. But if you guys have a credit or debit card added on your Temu, you will have the option called one-click pay over here in this section. Just click on it and uncheck it, and basically your one-click pay will be canceled. I hope you understand how you guys can do this. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos just like this related with Temu. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.